Hey guys, my name is Victor Agina. Once again, you are welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you exactly how you can use this amazing AI tool to create lots of videos for your products. If you're into e-commerce business, you find this very useful. If you want to create UGC videos, you find it very useful. If you want to create high quality AI pictures, AI models to model your product or your service, you are going to find this very helpful. So if you're watching this video on my channel right now, do well to subscribe so that when I post videos like this, you'll be the first to have access to those videos. So let's get right straight into this. What exactly is this tool? It's called Nextify, and I tell you, this is one of the best tools that I've ever seen because they have lots and lots and lots of tools inside this one tool. And then stay with me because in the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this tool to, you know, create amazing videos and images for your business, so you can use it to create videos and images for your clients and get paid for doing that. Now, if you are on here for the first time, I'm going to drop a link in the description area. You click on it and then you create your account. I'm already logged in. So, and when you log into the account, you're going to be given free credit of 20 units. All right, you're going to get 20 free credits to create your first project, and then after that you're still going to get another 20 credits. So first thing we need to do is to understand exactly what the tools do. All right, now let's get to the left hand side of this. Click on tools, and on this tool section we have what they call video cloning, like the name sounds. If you want to clone a video, you just simply upload the video here, right? The reference video. If you have a reference image, you upload here and then you generate. All right, this is supposed to cost you 30 credits, but somehow my account is supposed to have just 300 credits. But I guess I got one extra zero, and that's why it's showing 3,000 credits, but in the real sense it's 300 credits. So this generation is going to cost you like 30 credits and not 300 credits. Just I think is a glitch on the system. So now you use this to you want to clone a video, you just upload it here and it does the stuff. So under this session two, we have the viral videos. All right, all you need to do is to upload the source and you click on generate. You can use this auto AI prompt to generate the script or whatever you want, whatever you're referencing, and then it generates the video for you. So we have video cloning. We talked about this. So let's go back to see what we have. And then here, over here, we have templates. So you can choose from any art template. Say for example, you have this net fan. All right, you want to create something similar. You click on create similar, and then you come here and you can just input the details, and then you click on generate. It's going to cost you 28 credits and not 280 credits. All right, so let's go back to yeah, we're done with the templates. Under the template area, you have templates for e-commerce advertising, you have unboxing and recommendation, you have pet interaction. I mean, every kind of video you want to create, you will find it here. That is why I love this tool. All right, you have apparels. If you own a fashion brand, you can get something from this place. You have the TVC ads, you have warehouse sale, you have speech, just everything. This tool is awesome. All right. So let's not waste too much time on this. Now we'll come to avatar. All right. So you want to create, an avatar. You want to create a talking head video. Maybe you own a channel. You own a TikTok, account, or a Facebook account, or an Instagram account, and then you need to create an avatar for that page. So you click on create avatar, and then you can actually say you want to upload the photo to clone, take parameters or whatever it is, or you can select from these avatars that we have here. All right, so you can also create your own avatar. All right, you see create my avatar. I think we we just came back to this place. So okay, now you want to create a project. You can click on new project, you give your project a name, and then you start building your project. I just want us to go through all the tools we have, and then we start creating something so that you can see exactly how this tool works and the reason why you should start using this tool to create videos, images for your business, create for clients, and get paid for doing that. All right. So I have project. This is where you can see all your projects. All right. This is one of the videos I created. You can see that I was able to achieve this by simply uploading an image of the lady with the shoe and the perfume. So I uploaded it and it just did its stuff. How does this look? So you see that? So now let's go back to the home and let's see what we can create today. All right. Now that's not all. I'm not done with the tools. Under this session, you have create video ads. Right. You can create video ads. Upload whatever it is you want to upload. Upload an image. Upload a video. The video, and then you enter your prompt. Okay. And also under this section you can choose any of the models that you want to use cling, you want to use happy horse, you want to use seedance. You can select any of the models that you want to use. Now you can also select your dimension, whichever dimension was 16 by 9, 9 by 16 for TikTok. And you just select any of the parameters that applies to the kind of videos that you want. So under these places we have listing images. All right, you want to create something maybe for Amazon, for Shopify. So you can select the product name. You can add the product image. So let's see if we can try something. Let's just do something. Let's just do something at this point. Okay, let me see. Should we use this shoe? Okay, let's see. So, we issue. All right, so we just hit on generate. So let's see what it gives to us. So you can see, it's generated the images. I said I selected Shopify, right? So see the kind of images that it generated. So let's say we want to generate for Amazon, all right? And then we say this will cost 28 credits, all right? And we generate again. So let's see what it gives us, for our Amazon, you know, product listing. All right, notice that we have different pictures now because we selected Amazon. All right, so let's see. Can you see the pictures that we have, for Amazon? So you can actually just use this if you want to put this product on your website, on your sales page. You can go ahead and use this product. See how cool they are. You see how classy they look. You see how alive they look. So you can use this feature to generate product images for whatever platform that you like to put those pictures. All right, so after that you can download them to your hard drive. Okay, so that's that for that. It's downloaded all the 4 pictures. So let's go back to the home page. We'll move to listen images. I just showed you how it works. Then we'll go to viral cloning. All right. So when you want to clone, you see a video, you want to clone it, you upload the video here. When you upload the video here, you select the video and then you put in the description and then it clones the video. All right. So avatar video, this is your normal avatar style video. So you want to do like a UGC product video. For example, the first thing you need to do is to select your avatar. All right. So if you have a picture you want to use, you can upload the picture, or you can also create your pictures from the application. All right, if you want to upload your image, you can upload your image. All right, so let's say we want to create, let's see, my avatar. All right, so you can create your avatar, by using any of the upload of the photo you want to clone. You can do that. Let's see if I have any good image on my an image of myself. Let's see what we can do with that. Okay, so you create your avatar, you can give it a name, so you can actually select this, um the image generated. You can actually select it whenever you want to create a video. All right, so let's say candles. All right, okay, so we'll say generate. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, so yeah, we have candles, right? So confirm use. So we have uploaded candles, right? It says write your script, type dash to add emotion, or click add speech emotion for automatic voice emotion recognition. So in this section, it says generate voice. Text to speech. Please write the script. Okay. All right. So we can generate our script. We can use ChatGPT to generate our script. So quickly, let's upload another image for. Let's see, what do we want to not the shoe. Let me see if I have another product. Okay, let's just go with this product. All right. So this is my avatar. All right. Okay. So I have this guy here. I select confirm. So I have the product image. Okay, so we click on this, and we want to. Okay, so let's select this Mirinda, and you see something like I was so thirsty and to get something fresh to drink. I couldn't find any hotel in my QI. Right, product. Right. QI. Give me back. Wow. So fresh. Okay. I love that post. Citrus. Dude. Sticks. Okay. Artificial. All right, just move with this, and we'll see generate voice, and then let's see what it
I was so thirsty, I needed to get something refreshing to drink. I couldn't find
so you can actually, you can change the voice. You see the way it
to get
sounds,
something refreshing to drink. I couldn't find
but
any,
I
not
don't
until a
like it.
friend of mine came
So
by and gave me a pack of Mirinda.
you can just come here and you know select any other voice that you want. All right, so let's listen to
Hola,
the.
soy Jorge. Una voz cálida. Are you still looking for the right voice?
Mhm.
J'ai reçu un jour un coup de téléphone. Walking along the warm golden, the right voice doesn't compete for attention. It earns it.
So let's use
Slow,
this one.
timing,
Okay,
and a sense of something more.
so let's use this voice and we'll add this voice. Okay, and then when we do that, after we do that, we selected the voice that we want.
I was so thirsty, I needed to get
Okay,
something.
let's use this one, and then we click on generate. Okay, All right, so let's see what our guy has.
I was so thirsty I needed to get something refreshing to drink. I was so thirsty I needed to get something refreshing to drink. I couldn't find any nut until a friend of mine came by and gave me a pack of Mirinda. Oh, it's so refreshing. I was
Can you
so
see?
thirsty.
Can you
It
see the
just tastes like
movement?
artificial. I was
Even
so
can you see
thirsty
the
I needed to get something
gestures?
refreshing to drink. I
Can
couldn't
you
find any
beat
nut
this?
until a
So imagine
friend
that you
came
are
by and
able to
gave me
use
a
your own
pack of Mirinda.
pictures. Look at
Oh,
how
it's so
real it is. It did not
refreshing.
distort
Virgin
anything.
citrus
I
just
just
tastes like
uploaded my
artificial.
picture, so you can
I was
actually
so
just take
thirsty I
pictures
needed to
of
get something
yourself
refreshing to drink.
and
I couldn't find
include
any nut
whatever
until
product you
a
want to talk
friend of mine
about.
came by and
You know,
gave me a pack of Mirinda. Oh, it's
if you sell like
I
maybe
was
weight
so
loss
thirsty I needed to
products,
get something
if you
refreshing to drink.
sell
I couldn't find any nut until a
shoes,
friend of
if you
mine came by
sell
and gave me
bags,
a
whatever
pack
it
of
is
Mirinda.
that you're
Oh,
selling,
it's so
you can
refreshing.
actually just use
Virgin
this
citrus just tastes like
application. Use
artificial.
this feature
I was
to
so
start
thirsty I
creating
needed to get something
videos
refreshing
of
to drink. I couldn't
yourself.
find any nut
Of
until
yourself.
a
How
friend of
real
mine came
can
by
this
and gave
get?
me a pack
So
of Mirinda.
let's try something. You can actually use your own voice. Okay, so let's try something. Let's try something. Okay, so we're going to just come here, see my avatar, and then we click on this image, and then we go back. All right. So come here, and it says text to speech. Instead of text to speech, you say speech to speech. So I was thirsty. I was in the house, and I couldn't get anything to drink because the fridge had been drained. My friend had taken out all the drinks, so I was wondering what should I take, what should I drink, and then I put a call to him, and he told me he was close to the house. He actually went out to get drinks, but something caught my fancy when he came in. I opened up the nylon, and instead of taking water, I saw this orange bottle that says this is Mirinda. All right, and I said, "Wow, it's been a while I had this drink. Let me see if it still tastes like how we used to know about it in the past." And I popped a can and drank it, and wow, it is so refreshing. It seems like the drink started refreshing my system, and I felt younger again. So let's let's see what this gives. It's just me doing random stuff. So okay, let's see what this is going to give. Okay, so let's generate. So generate for all actors. Okay, let's see what are we missing.
So I was
Okay, look at
thirsty.
what we
I was
have
in the
now.
house and I
I actually
couldn't get
forgot
anything
to
to drink
upload
because the fridge had
the
been
can of Mirinda.
drained. My
So,
friend
but
had
see,
taken out all the drinks, so I was wondering what should I
it's
take,
actually
what should I
playing in my
drink,
voice. Did you hear
and
that?
then I was I was thirsty. I was in the house
Did
and
you see
I
that this stuff did
couldn't
not
get
change
anything to
anything?
drink because the fridge had
Can you see?
been
It's so
drained.
real,
My friend
exactly
had
the
taken out
way
all the
I am.
drinks, so I
It
was
didn't
wondering what
alter.
should I
Some other
take, what should I
AI,
drink, and then I put
applications
a call
might
to him and he
alter the
told me he was
face
close to the house. He
and
actually went out
make
to
it look
get drink.
unreal. But can you
But
see
nothing
how
caught my
real this
fancy
thing
when
is?
he
Even
came
the
in. I
gestures,
opened up the
even this
nylon
is
and
exactly
instead
the
of
same
taking
way I
water, I
gesticulate when
saw
I'm
this
talking.
orange
So,
bottle that says
man, this
Mirinda.
tool is amazing.
So
All
I
right.
was thirsty.
I'm
I was in the
so
house and
excited.
I
Even showing you
couldn't
this
get
stuff, I'm
anything
really
to drink
excited.
because the
So you
fridge
can go around. I've shown you the tools. I've shown you these tools and what you can do with the tools. And there are lots and lots of things you can do with this platform. All right. The reason why I find this interesting is the fact that it's more like an all in one stuff. You have basically everything that you can think of. So instead of paying for multiple applications, multiple AI, applications, you can just subscribe to this one where you have everything that you need, especially if you are a business person. All right, because I'm more of an e-commerce guy, I can easily, create these videos for my products, for my services or anything that I need. Or let's say maybe you're somebody who you don't want to show, you're not good with the camera, you're not comfortable sitting in front of a camera to talk and all that. Just go and use the UGC part this avatar video that I showed to you. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use this to create like content for my Facebook for a week or 2 weeks, honestly. So if you're looking for an AI tool that is all in all, I would suggest that you subscribe to this application. Now, let's take a look at the plans that we have. We have $21, which is very, very fair. $21 a month is going to give you 1,000 credits in a month for one user. All right. So $52 a month is going to give you 3,000 credits for one user. All right. 114 dollars a month is going to give you 8,000 credits. All right, so you pick whatever package is suitable for you. If you're somebody who likes doing putting out content like every week, you can go for this, you can go for this. I'm going to drop a link in the description area so that you click on it and start creating your videos. Remember that you're going to be credited with 20 units, 20 credits when you sign up, and then another 20 credit when you sign up, when you finish your product, your project, or whatever it is that you are designing. All right. So, all right, there's no much time to sleep on this. I've just shown you this tool, and if I were you, if you're serious about your business, if you're serious about going to the next level, then you should consider this tool, this website, this application as one of the websites, or if not the website that you can use to create all your stuff. All right. So click in the link below, click on the link below in the description area, and start using the application to create videos for yourself and for businesses.